checkpoint 9.11 D. So this particular question, looking at the constructor. Okay, so we are using constructor with one parameter, making sure, okay, circle class has a constructor with one parameter, then we can print the value. So let's look at the class circle. We have a data field. Ideally should be a double data type because we are using a double value. So let's fix first mistake. 2.0. Well, it doesn't have a constructor, means we are using default constructor. Okay, so if we are going to write it down, constructor, default constructor, no implementations. But what we need is a constructor with one parameter so that we can use constructor with a new operator so that we can construct object. Then we can reverse to it using object reference variable C. So you need another constructor. Okay. Here we are going to have a double value. Okay, let's say a new value, and then we can have a value and then new value. Okay, so we need this constructor with one parameter so that we can use it here. Of course, we can print. Normally, you should use a method to print the value. Okay, but again, this will work. Supposed to print 5.0. Okay, so 5.0 was assigned here. Now the value is overwritten by 5.0 so that we can print 5.0 here. That's all. Thank you.